Welcome back, book buddies. It's Soundbook Sunday. Today we have a soundbook, a Thomas and Friends soundbook, On Track with Thomas. And when we're done, we'll put some stickers in our scrapbook. But before we read, I'd like to say a big hello to a very special book buddy. Her name's Ruby. Ruby is a lovely young lady who likes to read books to all kids. And she's got her own YouTube channel called Ruby's Bedtime Stories. She's got lots of really nice stories on her channel, so go check her out. I'll put a link below of her channel. So go to Ruby and she'll read you some books. But first, it's time for us to read our book. Let's go. On Track with Thomas. Let's push a button. What does this one do? Oh, choo choo, choo choo. We've got the finish line. Great Sword or Treasure Hunt. Ooh. Today is the day of the Great Sword or Treasure Hunt. Push number 1. The engines are racing to cross the finish line at the Knapford station after collecting all the treasures on the contest list. Who will win this year? It's Thomas! Choo-choo! Here he comes! First over the finish line. Hooray! James comes in next. Then Mavis stops at the finish, followed by Gordon. But where's Percy? Where is Percy? Let's push all our buttons again. 1. Choo choo. The wheels. The trophy. Yay! And the hook. Looks like they got a bowl, some boots, a hat and bananas. So Top and the Hat asks, where did you see Percy last? I saw him in Hedgenbeck Tunnel. Oh, let's get the wheels. James whistles, searching for 3 black bats. 1, 2, 3. I saw him at the Whiff's Waste dump. Mavis toots, looking for an old milk can. I saw him in Whistling Woods. Gordon puffs, collecting a bluebird's feather. Let's backtrack, Thomas peeps. Choo-choo, and look for Percy. Oh, we haven't pushed this button yet.
Full steam ahead! Full steam ahead!
Full steam ahead! Now let's push our buttons again. The wheels. More wheels. More wheels. The horn. And full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead!
Thomas and his friends speed off.
Full steam ahead!
Searching for Percy. Everyone on Sordon wants to help. They want to help. Harold flies over Cold Reef Hill. He sees a mountain goat, but not Percy. Bertie heads for Lord Callan's castle. Percy stopped here this morning to borrow one of my helmets for the treasure hunt, says Lord Callan. I haven't seen him since. So we've got full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead!
Wheels. And the hook. Thomas searches everywhere,
Full steam ahead!
but Percy is nowhere to be found. Finally, Thomas steams back to Knapford. His wheels. Maybe Percy is waiting at the finish line. But when Thomas pulls into the station, it is quiet and empty. Then Thomas hears something. It's Percy chugging in with his cheering friends. I'm sorry everyone was worried, Percy tells Thomas. But I wasn't lost, just a little slow. I didn't find all the treasures either. You found the best one though, says Thomas. Did I? Percy asks. Well, Lord Can's helmet is very nice. That's not it, Thomas peeps. You found out how much your friends care about you. That's the best treasure of all. We have the wheels, the celebration, the horns, toot toot, number 1, and the celebration again. Yay! What an amazing book! I'm glad we found Percy. Oh no, he was missing. I think my favourite noises are the wheels and the full steam ahead. Now, let's put some stickers in our scrapbook. So I have my scrapbook, but let's make the page look a little bit brighter. It's very dark, isn't it? Let's put some nice paper on. Should we pop it down here maybe? It's nice and blue, like Thomas. And let's get, I'm thinking we could draw some tracks on there for the trains to go on. Some nice train tracks. Make the page look a little bit more Thomasy. So I'm going to use white and brown, maybe like the tracks. So let's do some brown lines. Oh, not very brown. There we go. And there we go. To make it look like train tracks. Choo choo. And I think we should write on here, on track with Thomas, so we know what book we read when we look at our scrapbook. Some white sticker on so I can write on track, R-A-C, track with Thomas, T-H-O-M-A-S. On track with Thomas. A bit messy. I didn't want to touch the wet paint markers. Let's put some stickers on. This is a good one. So we've got 1, 2, 3. There's Percy. We found you, Percy. Don't want you to go missing. Oh, look at this one. It says Island of Sodor. That's where Thomas lives. And then we have, oh, there's Thomas. He's whooshing down the track. There he goes. Oh, Thomas and Friends Adventures.
Full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead, Thomas. And then we have, oh, look at this one. It says, I'm a really useful engine. You are, Thomas. You're very useful. Let's get all our stickers over. Lots and lots of Thomas stickers. This next one is, oh, they're puffing down the track. Oh, Hero says, the master of the railway. Oh, very cool sticker. Ah, there's just a really good one of Thomas. We'll put him on the track. Choo-choo. There you are, Percy. We found you. Thomas and Friends. Thomas and Friends. What's this one? Oh, I really like these Thomas and Friends stickers. Lots and lots for our scrapbook. Oh, there's another Thomas and Friends sticker. And I've got one more. It says, Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends. Look at those really cool stickers. I think my favourite one is Thomas and Percy together. Thank you very much for joining me again today. If you enjoyed this book, I'll leave a link below where you can get it. Remember to go over to Ruby's channel as well, Ruby's Bedtime Stories. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye!